Welcome. This is a final video to fix your pixel not being recognized in Windows 11 during GrapheneOS installation. And if you've been stuck staring at your screen wondering why your device won't show up, you're not alone. This happens because Windows 11 often doesn't automatically install the right drivers for Pixel devices, especially when working with custom OS installations like GrapheneOS. And many guides online make the process way too complicated with multiple downloads and confusing commands. On Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that gets your Pixel recognized in just a few simple steps without any extra software or confusing setup. First, make sure your USB connection mode is set to file transfer and enable developer options on your Pixel. Then, with one small tweak in Device Manager, Windows instantly detects your device, letting the GrapheneOS installer run smoothly. If you want a full step-by-step guide showing exactly what to click and where, comment below and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.